Okay. Oh, YouTube. 8mm videotapes are bane of society. We've got a 8mm tape here, just one as a trial, and you see what's on here. Ew. Mouldy. Now there may or may not be a recording on that part of the tape, but can we afford to risk it? Can you imagine cleaning this whole tape and finding it was blank at the end? Well, I never know how to charge people for this type of thing. But anyway, so what we got here, we got a little jig here. We got a croc clip here, big one to hold the tape down so it doesn't snap on and mess up the tape. We've got a mini croc clip there to keep the tape in unlocked position. And I am doing this by hand. And should there be any sign of damage or tearing, I stop. That's the best way to loosen up a tape like this. Obviously, it depends on the condition. I could open it up and fiddle, but hopefully I won't have to if it doesn't snap, and I can just gently do this. How much shall I charge extra for this little joy? Well, I don't know. I base it on my results. If I get a good tape transfer out of this, I'm happy to double my fee, because to be honest with you, this is beyond the call of logic. If I could just set the camera in a position that is fixed. But yeah, you can see here, very gently going through the tape. I thought of hooking a drill up or something. I've got lots of rewinding machines and forwarding machines. I'm just too scared to snap it up. Burnt my fingers many times on these tapes, and this takes longer. But because there's only one, I do it gently, like I say. So that's 8mm. I think it's regular 8mm. It's metal tape. Oh God, it's very thin. It's very delicate. There's not too much on the tape itself, because that would be a big problem. Obviously, I've got machines that are far less sensitive to that kind of thing, and I have specific machines that I use for this type of transfer where they're not as fussy about the tape. But some machines will never let the tape through. In fact, some machines have a moisture sensor inside. Oopsie. Okay, now you see, look at my fat fingers. Okay, I'm going to continue this without the camera. As an addendum to the cleaning of the tape, I managed to clean it. I wound the whole thing through by hand and totally forward all the way to the end. I managed to get it through without any snaps, and rewound it all the way back without any snaps, and now it's playing. And ironically, it's a long play recording, and it's only got 20 minutes on it, which means effectively that the tape is 5% used, maybe. So I wound it all the way to the end, but how was I to know? You have to clean the whole tape through, and that's where the cost is. Anyway, the tape is running now, some good pictures of it, and hey ho, there you go.